If you could speak just 50 simple sentences fluently, the ones you actually use every single day, your English would already sound confident. Today, I'm giving you exactly those 50 sentences. In today's video, you're going to learn 50 simple, everyday English sentences you can start using immediately. Sentences organized by real situations, morning routine, work, food, shopping, and more. How to practice them so they actually stick. By the end of this video, you'll have 50 ready-to-use sentences in your pocket. No need to think, no need to translate, just speak. Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Teena. These sentences are the foundation of everyday English, the kind native speakers use without even thinking. Once these become automatic for you, speaking English will feel much less stressful. If you're new here, this channel is all about making English simple, one lesson at a time. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss future lessons. Let's get started. Section 1, Morning Routine. Let's start with sentences you can use every morning. I woke up early today. I brushed my teeth. I took a shower. I got dressed. I ate breakfast. I'm running late. I need to leave now. Try saying these out loud, replacing details with your own life. For example, I woke up early today. Was it true for you? Practice makes it automatic. Section 2, at work or school. These sentences are useful in professional or academic settings. Can we schedule a meeting? I'll send you the report by tomorrow. Sorry, I'm running a few minutes late. Could you explain that again, please? I have a question about this. Let's discuss this later. I'll get back to you soon. Thank you for your help. Notice how polite and simple these sentences are. You don't need complicated grammar to sound professional. Clarity is more important than complexity. Section 3, Food and Eating. Whether you're cooking, eating out, or ordering food, these sentences will help. I'm hungry. What do you want to eat? Can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order the chicken sandwich. Can I get this to go? The food was delicious. Can I have the bill, please? I'm on a diet, so I'll skip dessert. These sentences are extremely common in restaurants and cafes. Memorize them, and you'll never feel lost when ordering food in English. Section 4, Shopping. Shopping situations come up constantly, so these sentences are essential. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on? I'm just looking, thank you. Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a discount? I'll take this one. Notice the phrase, I'm just looking, thank you. This is one of the most useful sentences for browsing without pressure. Native speakers use it all the time. Section 5, Small talk and socializing. Small talk helps you build connections. Here are common sentences. How's it going? Long time no see. What have you been up to? That sounds great. I totally agree with you. That's interesting. Tell me more. It was nice talking to you. Let's catch up soon. These sentences might seem simple, but they're incredibly powerful for building relationships. Confidence in small talk often matters more than perfect grammar. Section 6, Asking for help or directions. These sentences will help you when you're lost or need assistance. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Thank you so much for your help. Notice how excuse me is the polite way to start almost any request in English. It's a small phrase that makes a big difference in how natural you sound. Section 7, Expressing feelings and opinions. Being able to express how you feel is a key part of fluency. I'm really excited about this. I'm not sure about that. That makes me happy. I'm a little tired today. In my opinion, this is a good idea. I feel much better now. These sentences let you communicate your inner world, not just facts, but feelings and opinions, which is essential for real conversations. Now that you have all 50 sentences, here's exactly how to make them stick. Step 1, choose 5 sentences a day, Don't try to memorize all 50 at once. That's overwhelming and won't stick. Pick 5 sentences and focus only on those for the day. Step 2. Say them out loud, not just in your head. Reading silently is not the same as speaking. Say each sentence out loud several times until it feels natural in your mouth. Step 3. Personalize them. Change the details to match your real life. Instead of, I woke up early today, maybe you say, I woke up late today. Personalizing sentences helps you remember them faster because they're actually true and meaningful to you. Step 4. Use them in real conversations. Look for opportunities to use these sentences in your actual day, at work, with friends, while shopping. The more you use them in real life, the faster they become automatic. Step 5. Review weekly. At the end of the week, go back through all the sentences you practiced. Repetition over time is what moves language from short-term memory into long-term fluency. Let's quickly recap what we covered. 50 everyday English sentences across 7 real-life situations. Morning routine, work, food, shopping, small talk, asking for help, and expressing feelings. A simple 5-step practice method. Choose 5 a day, speak out loud, personalize, use in real life, and review weekly. These sentences are your foundation. Master them, and everyday English conversations will feel much less intimidating. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week on English with Teena, I break down practical English in the simplest way possible, so you can speak with more confidence every single day. In the next video, we'll cover 50 more sentences, this time for phone calls, emergencies, and travel situations. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.